I think that most guests, I think they know that Croatia, it looks beautiful. They hear really good things about it, but they don't really know what they're signing up for. They're riding through these limestone terraces, and you're just kind of taken back everywhere you go. Just looking around, you're just kind of, your breath's kind of taken away. I mean, it's just beautiful. We start our trip in Dubrovnik, and then from there, what I really love is we actually ride out. If you're in Dubrovnik, you don't get to see what we see on a bike. You get to see outside and the actual people living there and living around Dubrovnik. And we descend down into an area, actually like a canyon almost, and then we eat lunch along this river. We're eating trout, and it's just really beautiful.
All the food you will taste today is from the island. That's our main principle, to keep everything local and fresh, from your pastas to cheese and meat and vegetables, olive oil, everything is from here.
The whole day is completely authentic, and if you were not traveling with us, there's absolutely no way you'd find these places because it's just off the map. They do a walking tour of Korcula that evening, and then we shuttle off-site to one of the Canobas. A local Canoba is a restaurant. Two brothers run it, and they actually cook under a cast iron bell. The day 4 highlight for me is you start the day with a solid 12-kilometer climb. To come to the top and then start descending, you round this corner and it's like, ah. And then after that, you finish your ride and you hop on a boat and hop in the ocean. You're eating lunch, drinking wine, swimming in the Adriatic Sea. For me, it's the best day. Day 5, the social hour of the evening, is my favorite of the trip. Overlooking everyone in Hvar town, and the sun is setting. You're cheersing Jubilee to what, for most people, is a vacation of a lifetime.